Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to check the engine oil level using your trip computer on a Renault Laguna Mark III. This should apply to all production years 2007 through to 2015. To access the engine oil level using trip computer, put your key into the dash to turn on the ignition, and while it's checking functions, push the trip computer button on the end of the wiper stalk. And there you go, that's your engine oil level. So if you've ever followed one of our videos before, you know I never like filling them up to maximum. But I really hope that has helped you check your engine oil level on your Renault Laguna Mark III. So really hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes. And have a great day too.